Hey guys, welcome back. How are you guys doing? So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I make this sumptuous sandwich breakfast. It is a recipe that I learned from Zeelicious Food here on YouTube over 2 years ago, I think. And it has become one of my go-to meals in my home. It is very easy to make and the ingredients are basically what you are used to having around at home. But before we dive in, please go ahead to subscribe if you haven't already and like this video if you learned something. And yeah guys, let me show you the ingredients. So first we have the eggs. This has been sliced. We also have sliced tomatoes. We have mayonnaise and room temperature butter, and of course we have the star of this recipe, which is the bread slices. We also need chicken breast for this. You can use whatever protein you like, it's not compulsory, it is chicken breast. And then we have some cheese and we have some fresh lettuce. So now that we know what to use, let's prepare breakfast. I'm starting with the chicken breast. I have boiled it, but you can choose to grill yours. And like I said, you don't have to use chicken. You can use fish, you can use meat or whatever protein you like and you are comfortable with. So I'm basically just shredding the chicken, and once I am done, I put it aside. Now after washing the lettuce, I'm cutting it into smaller pieces, and once I'm done doing that, I will also set that aside. Now that all my ingredients have been prepped, it is time to mix and place. So with the shredded chicken already in the bowl, I will be adding the cut lettuce and the mayonnaise. So in this instance, the mayonnaise will serve as the binding agent for the chicken and the lettuce, and you want to properly mix everything together. And then once you are done mixing, you want to set that aside as well. Over here I have my pan and I have my gas set to low heat. Once my pan is heated up a bit, I go in with the room temperature butter and I just spread it over the pan. I use room temperature butter because it is easy to, spread on the bread and also in the pan. So what you then want to do is spread some of this butter on your bread slice, both at the front and at the back of it, and then place it in the pan. Please keep the heat low so that your bread doesn't burn. I like to do about 2 or sometimes 3 slices at a time just to speed things up. Once you have placed the butter slices in the pan, you want to leave it for a bit just so that it gets golden brown. It gets this, golden yellow color. You can also use a toaster, but for this I prefer to use the pan. After about 2 minutes, your bread slice should be ready to turn over, and this is what you want to achieve. Guys, look at this color. Gorgeous, right? Once the other side is ready, you want to carefully remove the slices and you are ready to place the other ingredients. Alright, so now that we have our 3 slices, I like to butter my bread again. This is completely optional, you don't have to do it, but I just like it, so I go in with butter again. Not so much, just a little, and yeah, I just like it, so it is optional. Now you want to go into the chicken and lettuce mix, spreading that all over the bread and carefully place the egg slices on it. Please ensure that your hands are clean before cooking and while you are cooking, because you don't want to transfer germs around. Now, after placing the eggs, you want to follow it up with the second slice of bread. Then go in with the chicken and lettuce mix like you did earlier, and this time instead of placing the eggs, you want to place the sliced tomatoes and follow it up with a slice of cheese. Guys, this is really easy, like really easy. And then once you cover it up with the slice of cheese, you want to then follow it up with the last slice of bread. Breakfast is almost ready. Yay! Now once that's done, I like to cut it diagonally, but first I go in with 2 toothpicks and place them diagonally so that it is easy for me when I am cutting it. So going in with my bread knife, I'll be cutting this beauty up. Guys, look at this gorgeousness going into my belly. Ah, yummy, yummy, yummy. So yeah guys, I hope you guys will try out this breakfast. Please like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you haven't already. Please share this video with your friends and family as well. I will really appreciate it and it will mean the absolute world to me. Thank you so much once again for hanging out with me. Jesus loves you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.